Welcome to the Cybersecurity Awareness series on spoofing attacks. In this video, we will explore what spoofing attacks are, how they work, and most importantly, how we can prevent them. Spoofing is a cyber attack where an attacker disguises themselves as a trusted entity to deceive systems. The goal is often impersonation to bypass security, leading to data theft or unauthorized access. Email spoofing is when attackers forge the sender's address to appear legitimate. This tactic is used to trick you into clicking malicious links or revealing sensitive credentials. Always verify the sender and never click suspicious links. IP spoofing involves modifying IP packet headers to mask the true origin of network traffic. This can be used in attacks like DDoS amplification and session hijacking. Prevention methods include firewall ingress filtering and monitoring traffic patterns. Website spoofing, or typo squatting, involves cloning real websites with similar domains to steal credentials. Always verify the URL and look for the HTTPS protocol and padlock icon. Use anti-phishing tools to stay safe. Caller ID spoofing uses VoIP services to display a fake number, impersonating banks or government agencies to pressure victims. Never trust caller ID alone. If suspicious, hang up and call the official number back. DNS spoofing, or poisoning, corrupts DNS cache entries, redirecting users to malicious IP addresses, even if the correct URL is typed. Mitigate this risk using DNSSEC, trusted DNS providers, and updated software. ARP spoofing is a man-in-the-middle attack where the attacker links their MAC address to a legitimate IP on the local network to intercept traffic. Use end-to-end encryption and enable dynamic ARP inspection to prevent this. A comprehensive prevention strategy includes using multi-factor authentication, keeping software updated to patch vulnerabilities, and training users on phishing tactics. Also, enforce a zero-trust policy and deploy robust security tools. Spoofing attacks are dangerous but preventable. Remember to verify identities, use security tools, keep learning, and stay updated. Stay vigilant, verify always.